Write the meaning. Chauthai. Chauthai is the right to collect one-fourth part of the revenue from the Mughal territory in the Deccan. Sardesh Mukhi. Sardesh Mukhi is the right to collect one-tenth part of the revenue from the Mughal territory in the Deccan. Write the answer in one word. Balaji was from this town in Konkan. Srivardhan. He ruled Bundelkhand. King Chhatrasal. Bajirao died at this place. Raverkedi. He defeated the Portuguese. Chimaji Appa. Write about them in your own words. Kanoji Angre. Kanoji Angre was the chief of Maratha Navy. He chose to side with Maharani Tarabai and attack the territories of Shahu Maharaj. This gave rise to a difficult situation. Under these circumstances, Shahu Maharaj sent Balaji to fight against Kanoji Angre. Balaji avoided the war and won Kanoji over to Shahu Maharaj's side. The Battle of Palkhed. The Mughal Emperor Farrukhsir appointed Nizam al-Mulk the Subedar of Deccan. In 1713 CE, Nizam tried to establish a separate existence at Hyderabad. The emperor had given the Marathas the rights to recover Chauthai Sadeshmukhi from the Mughal areas. Nizam was against it. He captured some part of the Pune Pargana. Bajirao decided to checkmate the Nizam. He defeated the Nizam at Palkhed near Aurangabad. The Nizam accepted the Maratha right to collect Chauthai Sadeshmukhi. Balaji Vishwanath. Balaji hailed from Srivardhan in Konkan. He was competent and experienced. He convinced many Sardars that Shahu Maharaj was the real heir of the Maratha Empire and made them join hands with him. Balaji avoided the war and won Kanoji over to Shahu Maharaj's side. After strengthening the position of Shahu Maharaj in Maharashtra, Balaji turned his attention to the politics in the north. With the help of Sayyid brothers, Balaji obtained from the Mughal emperor the grants or sanats to collect Chauthai and Sardesh Mukhi from the Mughal territory in the Deccan. Bajirao I. After the death of Balaji Vishwanath, Shahu Maharaj made Bajirao I Peshwa in 1720 CE. He expanded the Maratha Empire during his tenure of 20 years. Nizam, the Subedar of Deccan, did not allow the Marathas the right to collect Chauthai and Sardesh Mukhi. Bajirao attacked Nizam and defeated him at Palkhed near Aurangabad. Under the leadership of his brother Chimaji Appa, Bajirao sent Mallarao Olkar, Ranoji Shinde and Udaji Pawar to strengthen the position of the Marathas in Malwa. Give reasons. Two separate Maratha states were formed. Two separate Maratha states were formed because after the release of Shahu Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai did not accept his claim to the throne. The armies of Shahu Maharaj and Maharani Tarabai fought a battle at Khed on the bank of the Bhima. Shahu Maharaj won the battle. He captured Satara. He got himself crowned. Satara became the capital of the Maratha kingdom. Azam Shah released Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj from his custody. Azam Shah believed that if Shahu Maharaj was released, there would arise a conflict between him and Maharani Tarabai for the gadi of the Maratha Chhatrapati. Azam Shah felt that this would sap the Maratha strength and therefore released Shahu Maharaj. Delhi needed the help from the Marathas. The Mughal power faced the threat of the Irani and Afghani invaders from the northwest and also of the local Pathan, local Rajput, Jat and Rohillas rulers. The internal competition and tussle in the court had also weakened the Mughal power. Due to all these, the Delhi court needed the help of the Marathas.